Good morning. How are you?
I am good, thanks.
What do you do today?
I have many tasks.
What is first task?
I check my emails first.
Then, what do you do?
I have a meeting.
What time is meeting?
Meeting is at 10.
Is it long meeting?
No, just 1 hour.
Then, what after that?
I work on project.
Which project is it?
It is the logo project.
When is it due?
It is due Friday.
Do you need help?
No, I am fine.
Okay, let me know.
Thank you very much.
We finish at 6?
Yes, at 6 today.
Okay, see you later.
Can we have meeting?
Yes, of course.
When are you free?
I am free tomorrow.
Morning or afternoon?
Morning is better for me.
What time exactly?
10 o'clock is good.
Is 1 hour enough?
Yes, 1 hour is fine.
Where shall we meet?
In meeting room 3.
Is it available then?
Yes, I will check.
Please book it now.
Okay, I book it.
What is meeting about?
About the new project.
Who else is coming?
Just you and me.
Okay, that is good.
I will prepare notes.
Great, thank you.
See you tomorrow then.
Yes, see you tomorrow.
When is your deadline?
It is on Friday.
Is that enough time?
I think just enough.
How much is done?
About 50% done.
Is that good progress?
Yes, I think so.
Do you need help?
Maybe a little help.
What can I do?
Can you check this?
Yes, I will check.
Thank you very much.
When do you need it?
By tomorrow, please.
Okay, no problem.
You are very helpful.
That is what teams do.
I appreciate it much.
Will you finish Friday?
Yes, I will finish.
Great! I believe you.
Thank you for support.
We finish together always.
What are my tasks today? You have 3 tasks. What is first task? First, finish the report. How long will it take? About 2 hours, maybe. What is second task? Send emails to clients. How many emails? About 10 emails today. And third task? Update the website, please. Is that difficult task? No, it is easy. Okay, I can do. Do you have questions? Yes, one question, please. Yes, go ahead. Ask. Which task is urgent? Report is most urgent. Okay, I start now. Great. Thank you. I will finish today. I know you will. Thank you for help.
Are you leaving now?
Yes, I am done.
Did you finish everything?
Yes, all done today.
That is very good.
It was busy day.
Yes, very busy today.
What time is it?
It is 6 o'clock.
Time to go home.
Yes, me too.
Did you finish your tasks?
Yes, all done too.
Great. Good job today.
You too. Good work.
What time tomorrow?
We start at 9.
Okay, I will be here.
Do not be late.
I am never late.
I know you are not.
See you tomorrow, then.
Yes, see you tomorrow.
Have good evening.
You too. Goodbye.